Corning is unveiling new scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus. This stuff looks, I mean, it looks pretty cool. They put out this little video. I actually like this promo video. I think it does a good job in about 2 minutes of explaining why they've created the greatest glass ever. Now, Gorilla Glass has been on so many devices. I mean, they're really the name in the business. This new one, now we're doing 2-meter drops, supposedly, based on their testing. They put it up against some competitors in this video. Variety of tests, not just dropping it, but they have a sort of a metallic probe that they put on the top of it with different weights. They have this slapper test. So this simulates kind of smacking onto the ground into an, look at this, wham. And that's their new Victus product. Yeah, it's fine. Not even our Mega Slapper could defeat Gorilla Glass Victus. And meanwhile, the competitor, you see the competitor is a piece of garbage.
Oh, yeah.
So this is lovely. It's all demonstration. There's a couple of cool ones. Here's a straight up drop from a fairly decent, I want to get one of those machines. Those are cool. Yeah. That's 2 meters. It survives. Competitor. Disaster, as you're about to see here. But the scratch one is also really interesting, and I think for a lot of people, it's more on the day-to-day with the scratching. So this is where what you're going to see here. On the left is the competitor with 4 Newton, a 4 Newton load. On the right is the new Gorilla Glass with an 8 Newton load. So, I mean, you can see the scratch is barely visible on the Victus, and compared to the other ones, disgusting. You want to get rid of your phone.
Yeah.
It's kind of, and it kind of like spreads more. And here's the load in kilogram force, KGF. I would assume that's what the F stands for. Anyway, you go 15 kilograms, the other one's blasted, that one's up to 100 kgs. So I don't doubt, I mean, Corning's been doing it.
Yeah,
I don't doubt this.
Promising.
Yeah, I don't doubt that this next one is exactly what they claim for it to be. Glass is still glass, as I believe Jerry Rig will tell you, glass is glass, but this is better glass. So they find all kinds of ways to create these hybrids, Will, and they continue to amaze. And it's big business, because the smartphone business is big business. And guess what you got to put on the front of a smartphone?
Glass.
There you go. Thank you for pulling it full circle.